Flava Flex Homestyle Hearty Meatloaf. That's right, my mom used a packet full of all these hearty, delicious ingredients, and it's topped off with the best meatloaf glaze ever. So today I'm going to show you how to make Flava Flex Hearty Homestyle Meatloaf. Let's go. Let's get this meatloaf going and get it in the oven because I'm hungry. So we're going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef, and we're going to add in 1 medium onion chopped, 2 large eggs, 3 cloves of fresh minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of HEINZ ketchup, 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, 3/4 of a cup of PANKO breadcrumbs, 1/3 of a cup of milk, and now our seasonings: 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you want to take that bowl, get on some gloves, get that gently mixed together. I like to just take my fingers and twist that in. Over-handling it makes the meat a little bit tough. So just kind of twist and blend. Twist and blend. Once that's all mixed together, we're going to get it into a loaf pan. And press that down in. Now set this aside and let's get to that delicious tangy glaze. For the sauce, we're going to start off with 3/4 of a cup of ketchup, 1.5 teaspoons of white vinegar, 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and our seasonings: 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in. Give that a good stir, and let's get it on our meatloaf. Ooh, so delicious I could just lick the bowl clean. Get every drop out of that bowl. Ooh, there we go, into a 375-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. Oh, this is one of my favorite meals. It's going to be yours too. You're going to make this for your family all the time. Oh, I can't wait to give this meatloaf a try with this delicious sweet and tangy glaze. Definitely could have this every week. My family loves it. You're gonna love it too. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!